Hello my creative peeps, and welcome back to my channel for another Take 5 video. Today we are announcing September's prompts for the Take 5 Art Challenge. This month's prompts are map, green, add a picture, music sheet, and add an element from nature. And they were chosen by the lovely Sylvia. So, let's get into it, shall we? I don't have a lot of time, and my brain is not working very well, as you can tell by the pauses already. So we are going to do this in real time. I'm going to collage my little heart out, and we're going to see what we can make. I have some card bases here. They're all blank white card bases. I will be making cards using the Take 5 challenge to send out to my Happy Mail tier in my Patreon. So I have a piece of map here that somebody sent me that I'm going to use. Probably going to need more map by the time this is done, but I have a scrap of Tim Holtz scrapbook paper that has a map on it. I have music sheet washi tape. So I'm counting that as my music sheet. And then I'm killing 2 prompts with 1 stone. I'm adding pictures of all flowers. We have these flowers outside my house. One of my aunts likes to garden. She has a green thumb. I do not. I kill everything green that I touch, but I have not killed my turtle yet, so just plants. So yeah. I'm going to use those nature photos, and then I have some green Dina Wakley paint, which will come as no surprise to anyone, I'm sure. I threw turquoise in there because I'm a cheater, and there's green in turquoise, so shh, don't tell anybody. And I have my little palette here, which you can't really see, but she's looking pretty nice. Soon she'll be Instagram worthy. So yeah, let's just get started. Again, sorry for my scatterbrain that's happening today. You'll just have to bear with me. I'm going to turn some music on so that my pauses aren't as weird, because I feel like if you could see concentration face, it's definitely going to happen. So here we go. I think I'm going to use the map as like a base to collage. I need a layer in between. Let's use, I had this tea dye paper that got jammed in my printer, so maybe we'll use some strips of that, like this. Yeah. And then I'm gonna paint around it, and we're gonna use a word sticker. I think is going to be the plan. Let me move you forward so you can actually see what I'm doing. There we go. Hi. Hi. Okay. I guess just rip it off, right? That's what we do. And then it'll be really cool because this window is here on the other side on some of them. So you'll see some map through the window, which will be cool, I think. I don't want this corner here. There we go. So all of the information about the Take 5 Art Challenge, of course, is linked in the description box below. If you don't know what the Take 5 Challenge is, let me tell you about it. It is a challenge that myself and a group of other ladies do every month. So we all post the kind of prompt for the month, and then you guys make awesome pages using it. And tag us and use the hashtag Take 5 Art so we can see it. So we all use the same prompts, but it comes out obviously different, which is really cool. There we go. That other tape runner was not working, but it is a Dollar Tree tape runner, so I really can't complain now, can I? So you're going there. Then let me position this again. Oh, my aunt must be home with the groceries. They're like, Mama's here, hello. Alright, that's gonna go there. Whether I can remember that or not, we'll see. Pretty sure we said there. Hopefully. I was close. I'll just move it down a little, maybe. Nope. Can I pull you up? Yeah. There we go. Much better. Alright. Then stick this little guy down. Oh no, I forgot to use the music sheet. I mean, I can still do it. I'm just like, really? Okay. This glue and I, not friends. It like never comes out when I need it to, and then once you get it on your finger, it's freaking impossible to get it off. Your finger will be sticky for the next like 5,000 years. Yes, that's a long time. You will die and your hand will be sticky still. Are we going to play the next song? Or do I have to play it for you? My computer does not want to play the next song by itself, apparently. I really don't like that, but I am going to honor the challenge and use the prompt. I like that a little better. That is freaking sticky down there. So I guess you're going there. Alright, then we're going to choose another song. Hello. Oh, I know what I didn't do. Gotta select all and then hit play. There we go. Learning curve, you guys, learning curve. I kind of want to like swatch these to see which colors will work the best next to the photos. There we go. Of course, I probably have these swatched somewhere, but it'll just be an extra collage element journal fodder after, right? I don't know why I didn't just like put those on the palette. Duh. Oh well. I love this like olivey color. But of course I love the turquoise the most. Just probably what I'm gonna choose, so I don't even know why I'm swatching these out, pretending like I'm following the rules. Actually, you're gonna use the green that matches the leaves. Well, that changed now, didn't it? Okay. This is evergreen. And yes, I'm still obsessed with this paint. It's been like all year. Can't get enough. Freaking love it. And this is not going to be even coverage at all. Just so we all know. So we're all aware. I love that. So cool. Okay. We'll set that aside to dry because obviously we're going to put the letters, I mean the word, what am I trying to say? We're going to put the word stickers on at the end. That took a long time to come to me. Okay. Let's try something different. Not like totally different, but semi-different. Let's do this pink one. And the Tim Holtz. Here we go. It like didn't play again. Don't understand, says the blind man. That doesn't make any sense. Okay. Alright, focus, Liam. This video is going to be like 7 bajillion years long. I'm sorry to all my fellow Take Fivers who have to sit through this long video. Perfect. Now, I'm putting this like this so that it doesn't move. Like I can get my collage in the place that I wanted it. Perfect. Like so. And we're just gonna hope that none of it's over that hole in the back. Like none of the adhesive. I love these flower photos. Sylvia did an interesting job picking the prompts this month. They were definitely challenging. I had to think about it for a while before I came up with what I wanted to do. There we go. And I think, do I want to put down here or up there? Or just one swipe? Because I'm pretty sure I'm going to do the teal on this one, or the lime. Maybe the lime to pull in that little that little leaf right there. Just change it up a little bit. My foot is falling asleep. That's why you shouldn't sit on it, Leanne. I always do that to myself. I always sit on my foot in my desk chair and then my foot falls asleep and it freaking hurts for so long after. Like, I'll be limping into the kitchen and my aunt's like, what's wrong? And she's like, oh, you did that again, huh? I'm like, yeah. Love that. Okay. For the sake of time, I think I'm just gonna make one more and then I'll make some more during my creative week video. Or maybe I'll just make those two for now. Yeah, the video's already at 15 minutes. That's like super long enough. Because I still have to do this. Pardon my hiccup. I'm really excited about these. Because blowing on will make it dry faster, right? Oh, look! I have 2 of these left. Be true to who you are and be cheerful. Perfect. That's exactly what we're doing. Be cheerful. Boom! Done. And I used up a sticker sheet. Ooh, 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 ooh. Go in. Go in. Oh. Perfect. I'm so happy with these, you guys. Thank you, Sylvia, for picking these prompts. So that is it for this video, as you probably guessed. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to tag me in your Take 5 creations so that I can see them. I love seeing what you guys come up with. Have fun this month, September, with the prompts. Everything you need to know is in the description box below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my future ridiculous commentary. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.